Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you dog lovers out there. The Vsezund shock collar, the best electronic collar for hunting dogs. If you're looking to train your furry friend or enhance your hunting experience, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we dive deep into its features and benefits. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our product reviews and recommendations. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at what makes the Vsezund shock collar stand out from the crowd. The Vsezund shock collar offers not one, not two, but three safe and humane training modes: beep, vibration, and static. With 1 to 8 levels of vibration and 0 to 18 levels of static, you have complete control over your dog's training experience. This versatility ensures that you can tailor the training to your dog's unique needs and temperament. Safety first. The remote comes with a security lock to prevent any accidental shocks. Say goodbye to unnecessary punishment due to misoperation. Are you a multi-dog household or a hunting enthusiast with several dogs? The Vsezund collar supports up to 3 channels, allowing you to train multiple dogs simultaneously with a single remote. Now that's convenience at its finest. This collar boasts an impressive remote control range of up to 2,600 feet, ensuring you can maintain control even in open spaces during your hunting adventures. Worried about constantly recharging your devices? Don't be. The receiver lasts 11 to 15 days on a single charge, while the remote can go a whole month without needing a recharge. Plus, both are fully charged in just 1 to 2 hours. No matter the size of your dog, this collar has you covered. The leash is 28 inches long and can be cut to fit perfectly, making it suitable for all dogs, from small pups to large hunting breeds. The Vsezund shock collar is IPX7 rated waterproof, making it ideal for training in any weather condition or location. Your dog can splash around, and you won't have to worry. Just remember, the remote is only splash-proof, so avoid immersing it in water. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what real customers have to say about this remarkable product. With all these fantastic features and glowing customer reviews, it's clear that the Vsezund shock collar is a top choice for both dog training and hunting purposes. That's it for today's review, folks. If you want to get your hands on the best electronic collar for hunting dogs, look no further than the Vsezund shock collar. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and current pricing. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Until next time, happy training and hunting.